very contained unless it's an extremely large tornado. Generally, it's in a smaller area, but here you're talking about tornado-like damage over a vast area. This is Panama City Beach. We're on the west side of the eye wall. The western part of the eye wall tends to not be as strong as other parts of the eye wall, but when you've got a storm that's a strong Category 4, that's nearly a Category 5, you're going to get an incredible amount of damage no matter what. So this was just an unbelievable storm today. Power outages now over 300,000 in Florida, 123,000 in Leon County, 101,000 in Dade County. It's going to be a very long process cleaning up there across parts of North.
A tornado warning has been issued for our area.
Some of the wind right now, we are still seeing some stronger wind into parts of central Georgia. Winds gusting to nearly 50 miles per hour right now. Not very far away from actually in Macon, 46 miles per hour. 31 miles per hour is the most recent gust there in Atlanta, and we're gusting to 29 miles per hour in Augusta. You notice that little red triangle that is showing up in South Carolina? That is an ongoing tornado warning. I want to take a look at that because we have seen some pretty strong rotation in some of these storms so far today. That's Calhoun, Lexington, and Orangeburg counties under warning going until 12:30. We are finally beginning to see that rotation loosen up just a little bit, but it's still there. It's now near Route 172, and these things have been moving very quickly. That's also a hallmark of tornadoes that are associated with tropical cyclones. They tend to move very fast. This one moving to the north-northwest about 50 miles per hour, coming into Enos at 12:36, Sandy Run Academy at 12:43, and Gaston at 12:44. All right, we have some more video to show you now, and this is some of the wave action that was coming into the coastline there. We were looking at wave heights on the order of 10 to 15 to 20 feet just offshore. And again, when you've got that kind of wave action, each successive wave will build on the previous wave. This is something that you can observe when you go to the beach. And so that adds to that storm surge threat. And of course, it puts tremendous pressure on the beaches. So in addition to everything else that we are facing there in Northwest Florida, the wind damage, the surge damage, you're also going to have a terrible amount of damage to the beaches. And, Alex, this is, one of the big draws to this part of the world. This is why people go to Northwest Florida for vacation oftentimes. It's a beautiful part of the country, and unfortunately, it's going to be a long recovery.